Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a coupon code in Booking.com step by step using the Booking.com website on a computer. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in Booking.com in the URL box and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Booking.com from where you'll need to log into your Booking.com account by entering your credentials. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner and click on Rewards and Wallet. Once you get to this page, go look for this Add Coupon into Wallet option and click on it. Now in the text box on the next page, go ahead and enter your coupon code. Make sure to enter the coupon code correctly in the text box and click on Add Code. Once you click on the Add Code button, you'll be able to apply your coupon code. So that is how it's super easily done. But remember, coupon codes doesn't always show up. Many codes are hotel specific, date restricted, or sent privately via email. Some discounts are auto-applied on hotels where no codes are needed. So that is how you can add a coupon code in your Booking.com application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.